Hi there, Tubman family. This is Miss Brooks coming to you live from my garage/work office. Today we're going to be taking a look at the DCPS Distant Learning Packet for Grade 2, Week 2 on extreme weather. Well, before we become extreme weather experts, let's see what we have to do. Day 1, which is today, reading, research, and writing. We're going to access prior knowledge and ask big questions. So our objective says, today you will read both an informative text and a literary text to continue your research towards a line of inquiry of how have human-related activities increased the number of extreme weather events. So our directions are to read the text titled, Watching the Weather and Let's Go Snow. So before we read, we're going to jot down what we already know about global warming and how weather has changed over time. And then after reading, we're going to jot down the 5 W's to ask clarifying questions about global warming and how weather has changed over time. Be sure to consider the focus question below when asking your own questions about the topic. And that focus question says, how does global warming impact weather over time? So our instructions right now are to think about how weather's changed over time, and then write 2 sentences about how weather's changed over time. Now that you've had a few minutes to write down your thoughts, I want you to look at this video titled Global Warming. So we're going to watch this video and think of 4 questions that you can ask about how the weather's changed over time. Now that you've watched the video, I hope you have a better understanding of what global warming is. Now I want you to write 4 questions about how weather has changed over time. Where do you write them? See the arrow in the 4 spaces below on your paper. And remember, good writers ask questions that begin with the 5 W's and how. What, where, when, why, who, and how. Stay tuned for part 2.